This is my hex driver sort of stand. Let's take one out. These are hex Allen key type screwdrivers in a way. There's 6 of these. But I've tried to allow a couple more for if you get any extra. One advantage, well, a couple of advantages with these ones is it's got a rotating top on there, so if you put your palm in there and you're screwing, it's rotating, it's not rubbing against your palm. Another advantage is it has this hole in which you can put a metal bar through or something, and if you've got a really stiff like nut, like Allen bolt in, that'll help you shift it. These are quite flexible, these, well, they're a bit flexible. I can squeeze this. It's deliberately done in case, you know, you're pulling it out like this and bend, you're not pulling it out straight, it can bend a bit, it has a bit of give in it. So they seem pretty good, these Allen or hex driver screwdriver type things. I suppose you could put screwdrivers in here. See, it's got different size holes in. You can see that. Or even bigger than this one. Not much more I can say about it. It's I printed like upside down. I don't use any supports. So this top part is on the middle plate. Don't think there's much else I can really say about it. Just that these holes have a bit of a taper on the tops to help you slide them in, that's it. I've kept a bit of the shaft here so you can see what size it is. The sizes are in this case marked on the driver units. I'll just say this goes from, what is it, 1.5, 75 millimeters long, up to 4.5. Oh sorry, 4 75 millimeters long. So there's the two sizes going from to. I think it goes in half millimeter sizes.